Car buyers have to visit multiple roadshows to get a car with the best bargain. It's troublesome as they have to physically go down to ask for the price and extra benefits that they are entitled to. Also, car owners who intend to sell cars are unable to find a good platform to perform the best deal. They would have to gauge a selling price and quote it to interested parties. This has resulted in car owners having trouble selling their cars at a best quotation. Presenting Bido, a one-stop online bidding platform for car enthusiasts to sell and buy cars. Bido facilitates all parties such as car dealers to car owners. A unique point about Bido is that it enables car owners, sellers and dealers to sell and buy cars through a bidding platform. Car sellers no longer have to worry about selling their car at a very low price, and buyers do not have to fret over going down to each roadshows to search for the best bargain. So, if you are facing problems selling and buying cars, why not try Bido?
Created using Powtoon.